mình nâng cái đai nâng đai đôi kia lại những đế nhá yeah Kenai River nèวันนี้แบบสตูดประดาเป็นที่เตาดังไหมเนี่ยได้เคยยังเคยตุกสาวไหมเนี่ยเนี่ย Kenai River โอ้เนี่ยตึกเทิร์กคอยนะ trời ơi Kenai River bao cái snow nôi lơ ấy
miền snow tỉnh lơ
chưa cái miền cái lại cái oi đa thọt á nè cái studio tray khác nèนี่มันจะโน้ตแม่อะไรจากเกยvậy nè nè mình nè private property nè nè thớt khôi thật nó lại chỗ đặt bột suy tray nè bay búa nó nè lại này cái studio Selman nó tụ trên tàu ấyนี่เป็นแหล่งมวยหลังท่อมเพลาไปซูวานโฮเมอร์ให้นั่งเตาแองเครจอันนู้นมาปีโฮเมอร์ให้แองเครจล่างตะเลยจะเป็นมาตัวนี้Anchorage ស្អាតឡើយនេះដូចមានដើមរំចង់នោះគឺរំចង់ដោះខាងនោះស្អាតមាន snow នៅមាន snow làng tộc nó anh đang ạ liền ấy phần châu thon tích nè làm sạch chụp ấy mà hả thật thôi ngay bên nó bị ngay pe tức tê come to see the beer sizing side up beer oh right here whoa say hi oh there two near there here that the hotel
that was so cool
getting so close let me see take picture mà whoa I've seen it deer that flow yeah they eat grass no salmon today there's another one over there
Nhân pí.
yeah no more than oh bay à there's two more over there whoa
Also ich glaube, es ist trotzdem gefährlich genug, aber es ist auch fein. Es wird nichts für die Fotos.
oh I think they're looking for salmon where uh-oh he going the other way
Và ăn cơm chiên mụ tê.
oh you can go up there and take picture uh-oh they go back you can walk alone he go up this way there walking
You should have got the big ones.
Thì nó đi khâu đi nó phải. Hay là một ngày. Nè.
yeah
Bụng sờm. Ngày Tết này một cho hơn.
tao nó bà đã đá lứa nữa tà su tầng phliêng cái mọ cái cho mơ đời tao ơi phliêng bà ắt phliêng cho mà sưu rồi nè phóc nó cái này băng ạ tao ơi rồi mơ phóc xa mơ vậy dạng này liền cái bé cho là lu cái ai nhua cho tia ai liền nè anh này ai biết nè bà tham squall coyote scat yeah we liền cái bé chẳng chênh đấy nó cái chỗ hotel cái ở ấy mà flow flow những bác mau mình ấy nữa nó chung không tia cái nó rung cái thứ đợi run vậy khơi thếนี่ไรพักลาดได้มั้งน่ะนกกระนกเซ็งนกกระเลยเจอได้นกกระแคบบลูลงเด้บลูสันนี่ไง
Mong ma này.
มองปีนดาบไปดังปีนดามวยดัง
Đâu.
จอดនេះបានដឹងនោះអត់មានទេដឹង
ก็ที่มือโรมือก็จิตกัน
ខ្លាចវាអត់ណានេះមានដែរដឹងឥឡូវគេផាសដ្រូននោះដឹងមើលស្អីលេង Fly Shore Parking អូនេះឯង Nó đang so với thế nào rồi? Đây. Đi lấy điện lấy cái bó này. Nè mà lần say Portal Glacier. Tầm Portal Glacier. Mình là ní tê, nữa trên tây nữa, trên đằng cầu. Oh, there is a bridge. Oh, maybe that is the tunnel go to White here.
They're doing a drill. They're doing a man overboard drill right now.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna get you. You need to be over here, sir.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
sorry. Yep. Let me get that gate. I need you to be on the other side here.
The other side. Okay. Sorry.
That's okay. That's probably our fault. We should have had that.
So is that the tunnel that goes through White here?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So right now there's a big log that weighs about what a human weighs. They're gonna pull it out of the lake
Oh,
and simulate pulling out a human and simulate rescuing him.
okay.
You can always gray it out later.
That waterfall. Liêng sao mình chờ.
These type of waterfalls are called ribbon waterfalls. Ribbon waterfalls are located in glacially carved valleys, so giant valleys carved out by a glacier. Portage Glacier made its way down the mountain and came through this valley in the year.
I'll take your tickets, friends.
Purchase tickets, go inside to Henry.
Hi guys.
Or if you booked online.
The main floor is here. Upstairs.
Yeah, we're boarding. Go see the glacier, Portal Glacier.
Hi there.
Okay, the
Welcome
two.
aboard. You're gonna launch your step.
I think we'll go this way. I think, no, don't go again, no. No, I thought cái tàu cái này ấy. Coi từ na các bạn đấy, đam ơn luôn. Ở sau miền nước khoáng. Hả? Nhưng mà Summer Glacier. glacier ហ្នឹងវាតក
Cái lỗ nó không tiện.
វានេះដល់អ្នកអត់បានទិញតាមមើលអ្នក miss អូបើយើងអត់ដឹងចង់ដឹងចេះចាំមកទិញនេះ
បា
គេ
ត់
បើ
គេនេះហ៎
ហ៎
discount នេះទិញទៅ
ចឹង
ហើយតម្លៃថ្លៃទៀត
មែនទេដឹងនេះសម្រាប់អ្នក miss តាមមើលអ្នកអត់ដឹងណាអ្នកអត់ដឹងមក
Nhưng mà ăn ba đêm chứ. Chứ mò bài gì.
ទៅឈរនេះមើលណែ
Waterfalls to our left in front of us. This first
No,
one
glacier no
is
because
actually an avalanche. So in the winter time, this is full of snow that has avalanche from up above. And there's probably still some of that avalanche debris high
Nè,
up
nè,
there,
waterfall này.
getting us this nice waterfall.
Whoa. No, looks eye. Look, waterfall mà vô.
That way. There's a giant almost lake of lights sitting up there. It's
Là những cái kheo. Việc kheo.
Mau con nào đông tay. Mau cái con nó làm
Oh no, mơ. Ở thằng đó mình waterfall. No waterfall. Oh, này.
So welcome to Portage Glacier officially, everybody.
Thọt ơi. Thọt ơi.
We're seeing those big crevasses
Oh,
as the glacier's moving downward all the time. It causes disruption, big cracks and crevasses formed. This
Well, the
side
part
also
is shifting.
has this big rock stripe running down it on the top. And that is called a medial moraine. That rocky debris that the glacier picks up is called moraine. And at one point, this glacier had two tributaries that fed into one glacier that we see here.
Rồi quỳ ơi. Mơ chốt. 360 degree. Trong lửa bên nào về phố chợ phê mà khơi nó không lớn nó không miền rồi anh ấy tao mơ kiên khẳng định mùi điện vì mình mà mùi điện có vậy là mình đời đi mò khẳng đi hay nó miền nóធ្លាក់មកវាបាក់មក
Even if nothing tabs off, sometimes we still hear cracking or popping noises. So keep your eyes and ears open. I'll be around if anyone needs help taking a photo or has any questions.
Đó, đỡ chôn tụi có